Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and today I would like to show you the tutorial how to find a hidden application on your iPhone. So the device that I use today is iPhone XR, and you can see I have like several applications on my home screen here. You can check from my social media here, the travel things, photos, and finance, and more and more. And can you find a Facebook on my home screen? You can't find Facebook on my home screen, right? But I feel that I already installed the Facebook itself, but then I cannot find it. So how to find the Facebook application? So whenever you are in a home screen, you just need to slide your screen into the left side until you have an access into app library. In this app library, sometimes there will be appear here a whole application that you have according to their uses. But then if you still cannot find or you cannot remember the symbol of the application, you just need to go into the search button and just type the specific application that you want to find. For example, Facebook. And here you go. You already have this Facebook applications on your screen. If you want to access it, you just need to go click it to open it. So that's the way how to find a hidden application on an iPhone. So if you find that this tutorial today is useful for you, don't forget to subscribe into this channel.